Alabama and Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut and more, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, 35 to go, Kansas and Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, and good old Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, and Montana, Nebraska 27, number 28's Nevada, next New Hampshire and New Jersey, all the way down New Mexico. There's New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, now let's see, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, then there's Utah, Vermont, I'm almost through, Virginia, then there's Washington and West Virginia too. Could Wisconsin be the last state, or is it 49? No, Wyoming is the last state in the 50 states that rhyme.